Hello everyone. 여러분 안녕하세요. I'm Korean Uncle. 저는 코리안 엉클입니다. In today's class, we will study Korean names, occupations, pronouns, and greetings. First, let's study the name of the country. In particular, it would be nice to know the name of your country in Korean. There are also many country names that I have not listed here. I cannot explain all countries, so please understand that if your country name is not listed here, try using Google Translate. Also, for YouTube viewers who have not studied Korean pronunciation, please repeat Google's Korean transcription made in English. But I recommended that you study Korean pronunciation first and then take a class. Okay, good. Let's get started. Listen carefully and speak. South of Korea. 한국, 한국, 한국. USA, America, 미국, 미국, 미국. China, 중국, 중국, 중국. UK, England, 영국, 영국, 영국. India, 인도, 인도, 인도. Canada, 캐나다, 캐나다, 캐나다. Australia, 호주, 호주, 호주. Philippines, 필리핀, 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 필리핀. Thailand, 태국, 태국, 태국. Vietnam, 베트남, 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 베트남. Brazil, 브라질, 브라질, 브라질. Chile, 칠레, 칠레, 칠레. Excellent. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we will study vocabulary for occupations. There are various expressions in English, but in Korean, we can say 직업, 직업, or 일, 일. Look at the picture, please. Student, 학생, 학생, 학생. Teacher, 선생님, 선생님, 선생님. Doctor, 의사, 의사, 의사. Company employee, 회사원, 회사원, 회사원. Chef, 요리사, 요리사, 요리사. Excellent. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we will study pronoun. In Korean, we say 대명사, 대명사. However, in Korean, The subject form is different depending on who you are talking to. It says na in Korean. To use na, you need to know who you are talking to. You can use this on someone who is your friend or younger than you. And na can be expressed as 저. You can use 저 for someone you are meeting for the first time or someone you don't have close friends with. So, how would you say you in Korean? You can be expressed as 너 in Korean. To use 너, you need to know who you are talking to. You can use this on someone who is your friend or younger than you. And 너 can be expressed as 당신. It was originally used as an honorific title, but these days it is also used when people fight. 당신 is mainly used in written form. In fact, Koreans use titles or names more than 당신. So, 당신 is not very important for beginning. These expressions often appear when reading Korean books from the intermediate level. It is mainly used in written rather than spoken language. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we will learn how to say hello in Korean. Let's learn about common case. How to say hello in Korean? In Korean, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Or 안녕하십니까. 안녕하십니까. This is a polite expression, and Korean people generally use it a lot. Look at the picture on the right. Next, we will learn how to greet a friend or someone younger than me. When you use hi in English, do you use it for someone you have a close relationship with? 안녕 in Korean is similar to hi. However, when using 안녕 in Korean, it is mainly used for friends or people younger than me. But you can also use 안녕하세요, 안녕하십니까. If you are not close with that person, you can use them. And there is another important point. These expressions can be used at any time in the morning, afternoon, evening, when you meet people. Okay, how was it? It is easy. Okay, good. You're wonderful. It is the end of the class. In the next class, we will study how to introduce ourselves. Please look forward to it. Thanks for watching till the end. See you next time. Bye.